So look what Republic of Gaming is doing. Look, ROG Strix, just like Apple. You know the ITX motherboard, you know, they're giving you this triangle thingy and nobody's really useful to this. I think it's not useful. I knew it. I was this close to throw this out, or I'd probably give it to somebody for free, right? But then you know what? I think maybe I can use this for two reasons. Sometime I need an old school 3.5mm port, and sometime I need it for volume, especially for the volume. When you have a sudden volume up and when you have a speaker, you might need the volume keys, right? So I was like, you know what, maybe I can use this for that. Another secret I found out, behind this it says over here there's a magnet there. There's a magnet. Thank God it has magnet. Now I can make that useful. You know why? Because you can put this, you can literally dock this and put this right on your case. But guess what they did? There's something interesting I wanted to tell you. Watch this. So I was looking for the cable because I wanted to make this useful. So I was like, yo, what is the cable? Let me get a cable. So I found this. One of this cable, right? USB-C. I try to put this, I put on this one. This one fits in, definitely. You know, that's to output. This fits in. But this one, guess what happened? It does not fit in. Look at that. It does not fit in at the bottom, behind. Right, look at that. It does not fit in because Republic of Gaming, ROG Strix ITX blocked it. Asus blocked it. Look at this. Look at this. And then this one, I use the OnePlus 8. And look at this. No, it's not going in, just like Apple. Wow, so smart. You know, if you would have not given me the cuts, then I could have somehow managed to fit it in. Even the cuts doesn't matter. There's another, they put a little bit more hole brackets inside, so it doesn't, like, they blocked it with some plastic, excessive plastic. Like, come on, bro, all this plastic for no reason. That's why none of them are fitting in. You know, that's it. This is how they do this. Look at this. Like and subscribe, share this video over.